All right, here we are again in Ladysmith, Wisconsin. We're going to head out and we're going to see what the storm looks like. It's 9:30 at night and we're going to venture out. Well, I got enough to do the door. It is still coming down. It started at 12:30. It's been snowing for 9 hours straight. Man, crazy. Let's see what we got for depth. Oh my gosh. Over 7. Almost 8. Almost 8 inches. Let's walk out here. This is out my driveway, my mower shop out here in Ladysmith. Yep, about the same. 7. A little over 7. And it's still kind of wet. It's not real fluffy. It's that wet, real small snowflake stuff. So it's still packy, but boy, if this would have been really cold and fluffy, we probably had a 1.5 feet. So, and it's still right around the freezing mark. It's probably 30, 32, somewhere in there. It ain't all that cold, but anyway, there you got I don't know if you can see it, but they're plowing out the hospital, or not the hospital, the clinic next door. Anyway, yeah, town's pretty dead. We got roughly 7.5 inches of snow here in Ladysmith, and it's supposed to snow until I think 1 o'clock, another 4 hours or so. So, all right, I'll do a report in the morning. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. I want to see what it's doing like over in your neck of the woods. All right, we'll talk to you later.